If you want your man to respect you more, this video is for you. Hi there, it's Adorable Chidi again, and on here we talk about relationships and personal growth. Today, I'm going to share how you can influence your man without being controlling or manipulative. The goal is not to make him do what you want. The goal is to build a healthy relationship where he naturally respects you and wants to show up for you always. Stay with me while I share 6 ways you can influence your man without manipulation. Number 1, set boundaries and stick to it. You don't influence a man by controlling him. You influence him by how you allow him to treat you. Setting boundaries means deciding what you will and will not accept in your relationship and sticking to it. A healthy boundary is a rule you have refused to break in the name of love, peace, or fear of losing him. For example, if your man disrespects you, don't accept it. You don't need to shout or argue. You simply make it clear that disrespect won't work with you. So you can simply address it or just remove yourself from that situation. A man respects a woman who stands up for herself, because when you tolerate disrespect, you're unknowingly teaching him that it's okay to treat you that way. But when you set boundaries, you teach him how to treat you properly. Number 2, stop chasing. Chasing a man puts you in a position of always trying to be chosen. Constantly calling, texting, explaining yourself endlessly, or forcing connection sends a message that your life revolves around him. But when you stop chasing and focus on your own self, it shows that you have standard, you have goals, you have plans, and happiness outside the relationship. You don't wait for validation, you already value yourself. Men naturally respect women who are independent and confident. Confidence comes from knowing your worth, and independence shows that you are with him because you want to be and not because you need to be. Respect grows when a man sees that your life is full, your time is valuable, and your presence is a choice. Number 3, make your life attractive. Men are naturally drawn to women who are thriving, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. An attractive life is one where you are healing, growing, setting goals, and enjoying your own journey. When you focus on building your own self, you don't have time to chase or seek unnecessary attention because your life is already full. A woman who is confident and independent is respected because she does not depend on a man to complete her. She chooses him, and that choice carries value. When you are busy building a life that you want, a man will naturally want to be part of it, not because you begged him, but because your life is meaningful, peaceful, and worth joining. Number 4, speak calmly and clearly. If you want people to listen to you, yelling, blaming, or accusing will only push them further away. When people feel attacked, they stop listening. So when you speak to your man clearly and calmly, it shows that you're confident and emotionally mature. And it also helps him to understand and listen to you without being defensive. Instead of blaming, accusing, yelling, simply say how you feel and what you need. For example, I feel ignored when you don't call. I need more consistency. When you express yourself peacefully, your message is likely to be heard and respected. Number 5, reward good behavior. Men respond to encouragement and not control. When he does something good, acknowledge it and appreciate the efforts. A simple thank you or recognition tells him that his actions matters. People naturally repeat what is appreciated. But when you focus only on what he does wrong, it creates distance. But when you start noticing and appreciating his good behavior, it encourages him to do more of it. Respect grows when a man feels valued and appreciated. Number 6, don't be predictable. Being predictable means always being available, always adjusting your time, always putting him first. When you do these things, your time and presence begin to feel ordinary. A man respects a woman who has her life moving on. I'm not trying to say you should play games or ignore him on purpose. What I'm trying to say is that you don't abandon yourself to keep a man. You choose him and also choose yourself. So when you stop being too available, when you stop chasing him, when you express your needs calmly, you naturally influence him to respect you, and you end up building a healthy relationship where he's always willing to show up for you. Thank you for watching. My name is Adorable Chidi once again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.